guys, what's up? So today I'm here with Kriyya wigs again. This is my second time with them. First time was pretty good. I really liked the wig. So today we're here with another wig from them. It says it's the same packaging as last time. And I see the wig, and then I also got a headband and a wig cap. That's everything that came in today's box. For today's wig, I have this beautiful 20-inch body wave here. That's so gorgeous. So definitely wavy vibe is today's focus for my wig look. This is so nice. It's of a natural color. As you can see, it's so soft, it's silky. Shed check. I'm not getting any strands right now. It's really nice. It's a lace front wig, by the way. It's a 13 by 4. It has 3 combs in the cap, and yeah, this is how the lace looks. It's not customized at all, as in it's not pre-bleached or anything here, so you could go in and you could tint it, bleach it, do all the good stuff that you want to do. It's pre-plucked though, and it's really nice in the hairline, so I like that. I love that actually. I think I'm gonna do a side part today. This is really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into installing. Also, don't forget to check out my description box for all the details, okay? All the specifications, the density, the direct link where you can order it, all that good stuff. So check out my description box for all that information. Let's go ahead and jump into installing this gorgeousness. Can see I took my time installing it. You don't know already, two-suit, my little two-suit vibe. So as I said, I'm going to do a side part with this today, which is always just a classy look. So we don't have that much parting space to work with. That's the only thing sometimes. Like, that's why I love my getting 13 by 6 lace fronts. Like, you definitely have way more space to work with as opposed to, you know, a 13 by 4. You guys know I wear a medium cap size, but for some reason this felt a little small for my head, so I'd say if you wear a medium, probably get a large. If I had to get this back, I would get a large. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my hot comb and my wax stick to just lay the front, and then I'm gonna give it some nice voluminous waves.
on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high.
front hair, a little bit of layers, because you guys know I love that nice fall in the bang area. Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling. You know, oh, by the way, update guys, my curling iron finally got delivered. I haven't received it here in Jamaica yet, but for you guys who stay consistently updated with every video that I do, you would know what I'm talking about. Oh, my curling iron. I'm not gonna tell you which curling iron until I actually have it, because a lot of you guys actually recommended that curling iron, and I then went on to researching it, and I saw a lot of good reviews on it, so I got it. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top curling it up. Didn't take a long time at all. I didn't do like super small sections for the curls. And that fall looks so good already. And I know it's going to like fall even more throughout the day because I'm actually going on the road to run errands. So this is my wig look for today. So kind of like brush it. Oh, you see that nice fluff look? It's expected, you know, body wave texture is always going to hold a really nice curl. Ooh, you see that? That's such a nice fall. Such a nice fall. And this is just a very, like, I feel like this can be an everyday wear kind of wig because the length is manageable. I mean, it's very manageable. You can finesse this wig to any occasion really, so it's perfect. It's like the perfect multi-purpose wig. This is the finished look of the hair. It is so soft. It was so easy to get it how I want it. It's not filled with like a lot of baby hairs. I've grown to love that look. The minimal like baby hair look, like just the swoops and I'm good to go. This whole look is giving me classy. It's so classy and you can't go wrong with a look like this. Talk the truth in the comment section. Can you can finesse this look to whatever. You could go to a party in this look, you could go to dinner in this look, just go to on a date, you know. You can be casual with this. You can be all dressed up with this. You could get married if you want to wear your hair down in this. Yeah, there's so many. It's a multi-purpose look. Like it really is. So Kriyya, yeah, now we get very easy to work with. Very easy to work with. And if I do have any available discount codes for this or anything else, they will be listed in my description box. So check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching as usual. I am highly appreciative of the support And don't forget to catch up with me over my vlog channel as we're uploading my laid back chill vlogs. What happens with me on a daily to weekly basis. That's PETITE-SUE TV. Check me out. Yeah guys, and that's it for today. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.